Hi, good evening. I'm Rekha Nagraj. I'm a HR and a business strategist. I come with 3+ decades of experience spanning in both IT and non-IT sectors. I work currently for a construction industry as a corporate head HR, where I have led transformational changes for the organizational growth. Many of the organizations today still feel that HR is a compliance function, a cost center, and also a support system. What if I had told you that HR is the biggest business accelerator? Yes, the companies that thrive after a decade are those who feel that HR is not a cost center, but it is a strategic asset. If you have the talent who are reactive, you are already falling behind. I want to share with you 3 key drivers which has transformed HR from the back office to the boardroom for the acceleration of business with us. Driver 1, leadership pipeline for your future leaders' development. When I have joined this organization, I have seen that attrition was at 10%. which had directly impacted the profitability and the revenue of the organization. What could have been the problem? It was leadership succession, which was undefined. Hiring was reactionary rather than strategic methods. Now, what did we do differently? We hired top talent who would be the future leaders. We did not just backfill the roles. We integrated succession planning to focus on the business functions. We also worked on the capability building programs which would develop our future leaders for the business continuity. The result of this, we reduced the hiring cost, external hiring cost by 40%. We reduced the attrition by 12%. And also, we were ready with our succession pipeline who can do the business continuity for the organization for many more years. Driver 2, we embrace the AI. Construction industry has always a challenge of managing workforce. Now, here we try to bring in AI. All of you know that attendance monitoring system was through master roles, which was prone for errors, manipulation, and also inefficiency. We embraced AI and integrated biometric system in most of our projects. If you ask me, in all of our projects, and all the projects even which were in the remote. And also we ensured to track the workforce management at the projects. We try to track their attendance. And what resulted on this and impacted is, we significantly reduced the payroll discrepancies, and also the workforce management was more efficient and people were accountable. Now, I have a question for the CXOs over here. How many of us are now practicing or trying to know what the technology is? Most of us don't even think about it now. Maybe the startups, maybe the SMEs, maybe the MSMEs. We don't think about it. Why? Because there is a risk factor. We feel there is heavy investments in that. And we also feel our employees do not adapt to that. Why so? Why can't we give a try? If you have not still done, please gear up. The third driver, impact-based rewards. Every time we think of the appraisals for people, we go by the traditional methods. The impact was, it was not worth it, but then it was also inefficient. We changed model, we flipped the model. We tried to bring performance-based variable pay, which was linked to the key strategies of the business, which would actually reduce or delays of the project were managed. There was reduction in the cost, increase in the profitability, and also we ensured the people strategy was aligned with the business strategy. Now, what happened when I did this? There was a tremendous impact on the business. That is, we ensured that people were more accountable, more responsible for the responsibilities they were assigned to. The cost came down, productivity increased, and we tried to align people's strategy with business strategy, and we ensured every employee in the organization contributed for the business scaling of the organization. Now, I have been working very closely with the CEO and the CXOs of the organization, try to understand what is required for the business growth. Now, while doing this, I have seen that I want to see where my leaders stand. My advice, a small message to all the CXOs here, please encourage your employees to adapt to the technology. Align the people strategy with the business strategy if you want to see a 10x growth in your organization. If you want to transform your HR from people strategy to business strategy for the growth of the organization, meet your experts. I help organizations to transform HR as a 10x profit center, to bring the people strategy and the business strategy to align with the business growth a tenfold. Thank you.